How to disable media auto download on Telegram. So if you use Telegram and your Telegram automatically download all media each time you go to the channel or to the Telegram page, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable auto download on Telegram. So this is going to stop you from downloading videos, images, or any other media automatically. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off or disable auto download on Telegram is go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. So here, I'm going to use my iPhone. Open the Telegram app and go to the Telegram settings. So I can just do this away by clicking on the settings icon at the bottom right. Then, once you are here, scroll down the page under your profile and click on data and storage. Once you selected data and storage, you should say automatic media download. Under automatic media download, you have two options here, over cellular and over Wi-Fi. Then click on cellular first. You should see auto download media enabled. If you want to disable it, you can just disable it here. Or better still, when this is enabled, you can come to the media type and then customize what you want to automatically download and what you want to disable automatically. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and disable this permanently so that I can manually download videos and medias on the Telegram app. Then again, go back to cellular, disable this as well. Once that is disabled, then you can go back. And now if you want to come back again and turn on automatic download on Telegram, just come here and click on reset auto download settings. Then tap reset, then you should see both set to automatic download. Or then if you come here, then you should see this set to auto download media, disable this. Then go ahead and repeat the same thing on Wi-Fi. So that's basically how to disable auto download on Telegram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.